Hi there, I'm Stephanie, and I'm a Zenfolio expert. If you're a Portfolio Plus or Pro Suite subscriber in Canada, you have the option to sell products through our partner vendor Fujifilm. At success.zenfolio.com, search for selling in Canada and you'll find a list of available products, including print sizes, paper types, and more. Please note, some paper types may not be available for all print sizes. Some products may be available to Pro Suite subscribers only. All frames include glass, and it's important to note not all frames will be available for all print sizes. You can view the product offerings in greater detail when setting up your price lists within your Zenfolio account. I hope this information is helpful, but should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.